Hello, I am giving you a quick demo of our saloon booking app. This is our app Phoebe. We can register as client and business. Clients are those who will find the nearby saloons, can book appointment with the saloons. These clients are basically the customers of the saloons, can filter the saloons on the basis of locations, and business are those who will create the profile as saloon, register their services. So first we will go with client. We can sign up, then after go to the dashboard screen. Since I already registered into the app, so I can go with login. Don't have any saloons near to my location, so I can search on different location. These are the saloons near to the new locations. I can go to any saloon. These are the services listed by saloons with the business hours. Now I select service. After that I able to select the barbers of the saloons. Then with the calendar, now if we select the day, and if I go with the 27, then time slots are not available. Then if the time slot are available, we can book that slot and appointments is created. All my created appointments will be visible to in the appointment sections. Since for now I don't have any new appointment, so it is showing no upcoming appointment. We can also set the favorites of appointment, like if this now I make the first saloon is favorite, then if I go in the favorite list, that this saloon is my favorite list. You can also remove it from the in the profile section. We have the account details. We can edit, manage our profile photo. We can also switch between the English and Spanish. If you want any new language, that then we can also add in replace with the Spanish, or in the addition with the Spanish. We can also change password. This is the then the logout. This is the completely client side. We have the map section, and the top we have the notifications. When new appointment will be created, and we get the push notification also, and with the inside notification. We can search for any saloon. We have the complete maps of the saloon, nearby saloons. This is the customer part. Now we'll go with the business part. Business, we have to first create all the profile, confirm their number, also add all the services, all the barbers. So I can go with the directly with the login. This is the saloon side. Here saloon can see all their appointments for the today, like Wednesday 26 is the today date, so we can see for today. And we can also find the appointments on the basis of barbers. We also have the calendar section, where we can see our previous appointments or the future appointments. We can also filter it on the basis of particular date. Also we have the functionality of create appointment, like if for some client we want to create the appointment, so we can create it from the business section also. We have the section of reschedule or cancel appointment. If you want to cancel any appointment or reschedule appointment, then we can cancel. We can choose the date and then we can reschedule it. Third part is the analytics part. In analytics part, we have the all the data related to the total saloons, total bookings of our saloon, total revenue generated, total services booking, all this. We can see it in the text format or also in the graphics. We can see, and we can also filter it on the basis of different barbers. Then after we have the more section. Here we can manage our profile, we can edit our phone number, email, password. Also we can edit our business, like if we want to edit some services, services, employees, we can edit it from here. Also we have the section of employee access, like some salon wants that we want to give some access to our employees, so we can add the email id or password of the employee here, and then the employee receive the email with their email and password by which they can access into the login into the app with some restriction, like the employer does not have the capability to see the analytics, they have only capability to see the appointments only. Then we have the plan details, like which current plan we are running. Our app has 3 subscription model on the basis of the barbers. If you want any updation in that, we can completely fine with that. Also the saloon has 2 language, English and Spanish, same as client section. These are the legal policy of the app. So this is a complete saloon booking app with the both the client side and the business side. If you have any question, then please ask me. Thank you.